Groups in ESMC serve as folders where computers and other objects are organized. They allow you to manage computers by sorting them into different groups and applying various settings, tasks and restrictions based on their presence in a specific group. Since ERA 6.5, static groups also serve for organization of other objects created in the web console, like tasks, policies, templates, installers, licenses and so on. There are two types of groups in ESMC: static groups and dynamic groups. Static groups are containers for client computers, mobile devices and other objects. They can represent standard placement of the device or standard state of the device that is presumed not to change easily. Therefore, static groups usually have assigned standard default tasks and policies. One computer can only be present in one static group. Static groups are created and populated automatically in static group synchronization with Active Directory, LDAP, or for instance Open Directory. Other than that, group members can be added, removed and moved manually. Dynamic groups can be used to capture changing device status or temporary situation that needs to be solved. Therefore, specific tasks and policies that are dedicated to handle the specific state are usually assigned to dynamic groups. In contrast to static groups, one computer can be present in multiple dynamic groups at the same time. Membership in a dynamic group is determined by specific criteria. Computers that meet the criteria will be added to the dynamic group automatically. If the client computer does not meet that criteria, it will be removed from the dynamic group. It is the EM agent that locally evaluates the criteria and determines the presence of computer in the dynamic group. These criteria or rules are defined in dynamic group templates. In the following part we will demonstrate how to create new static and dynamic groups. Log into ESMC Web Console with username administrator and password edutraining123. Navigate to Computers section in the main menu. Click the cogwheel icon next to Static Group All and select New Static Group. Name the group Executive and into description field write Computers with special privileges. Press the Finish button. In the list of computers, click on the Client 2 CEO and drag and drop it into the new static group Executive. Confirm by pressing Move and Close buttons. Click the cogwheel icon next to Static Group Executive and select option Move from the context menu. From the list of groups, choose ESET Demo. Press the OK button. Now we have a new static group Executive which contains one computer. Executive is a subgroup of static group ESET Demo. Now let's create new dynamic group for computers with installed ESET Endpoint product in version 6. Click the cogwheel next to Static Group All and choose New Dynamic Group. In the Basic Settings section, name the group V6 Endpoints. In the Template section press New button. In the Basic section, name the template V6 Endpoints template. Proceed to Expression section. Click Add Rule link. Expand the Installed Software Application Vendor option. Press OK button. Click into the text field and choose option ESET. To add a second rule, click Add Rule again. Expand the installed software application name and press OK button. In the drop-down list, change the option as one of to contains and type endpoint into the text field. To add a third rule, click Add Rule again. Expand the installed software, application version and press OK button. In the drop-down list, change the option as one of to has mask and type 6 asterisk into the text field. Press Finish button to complete creation of dynamic group template. Press Finish button to complete creation of dynamic group. After Agent ESMC server synchronization, Client 2 CEO appears in the V6 endpoints dynamic group. Switch to Client 2 CEO virtual machine. Indeed, ESET Endpoint Security product in version 6 is installed on this computer. Now, create dynamic group for computers with active detections. Click the cogwheel icon next to the static group All and choose New Dynamic Group. In the Basic section, name the group Computers with active detections. In the Template section, press New button. In the Basic Settings section, name the template Computers with active detections. Proceed to Expression section. Click Add Rule link. Expand the active detections, detection handled. Press OK button. Click on Yes value to change it to No value. Press Finish button to complete creation of dynamic group template. Press Finish button to complete creation of dynamic group. For now, this dynamic group is empty.